Hey guys, this is Axel from Pedal Electric Tech Support. Today I'm going to show you how to install your pedals correctly. So you're going to need a 15mm box end wrench. Each pedal is going to be denoted with a different insignia. So this is going to be your right pedal with the R, and the blue is going to be your left pedal with the L. Now you know which side is the left and which side is the right on your bike. If you're looking as you're sitting on the bike, your left side is going to be your left and your right side is going to be your right. So a big thing to note are this crank arm right here is very easy to strip with these threads. So the way that you install this side on the right side is going to be a clockwise motion. So when you install and you start threading it in, you want to make sure there is no resistance at all. If you get any resistance, back it out. So once you feel that it's freely spinning in there with no resistance, and if you do have resistance, just back it out, reseat it until you can spin it freely. Now once we are seated, you can take our 15mm box end wrench and then you can tighten this down. So on your left side crank arm, this one is actually going to be a reverse thread, which means to tighten this, you're going to go counterclockwise instead of clockwise. So again, insert and start spinning. Make sure you have no resistance. If you have any resistance, back it out, and this is going to go clockwise. So this completes the installation of your pedals on your pedal electric bike. We went through the differences between the left pedal and also the right pedal, how the left pedal is counterclockwise and the right pedal is clockwise. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can hit the link below and you can get directly in contact with our tech department.